Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty to bring you honest, expert-level reviews. Today, we're exploring the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Jet Set Hydration Kit, your new go-to skincare companion for on-the-go hydration. This travel-sized skincare set features a carefully curated selection of products that promise to keep your skin nourished and hydrated, no matter where you are. Let's break it down. Inside this kit, you'll find a daily face cleanser, Hydrating Balm, daily Hydration Moisturizer, Nourishing Night Cream, and eye cream, all in TSA-approved travel sizes. It's a complete skincare routine packed into one neat little set. Perfect for those who want to hydrate, refresh, and keep their skin looking its best while traveling, or for those who prefer their skincare in convenient, travel-friendly packaging. Now let's talk ingredients. Each product is infused with skin-loving essentials like aloe, shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. These powerhouse ingredients work together to nourish and hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. Whether you're dealing with dry patches or simply want to keep your skin moisturized throughout the day, this set seems like it has everything you need. From my experience with the e.l.f. Jet Set Hydration Kit, incorporating it into my routine was a breeze. I started with the daily face cleanser, which was gentle yet effective at removing impurities without stripping my skin. The Hydrating Balm, which I used as a toner, felt rich but not greasy, making my skin feel nourished. The moisturizer and eye cream were a dream for daytime hydration, light enough to wear under makeup, but still packed with moisture. At night, the Nourishing Night Cream provided a deep dose of hydration, leaving my skin feeling soft and replenished by morning. What I really appreciated was how versatile these products are. Whether I used them at home or on a quick weekend getaway, the size was just perfect for keeping my skincare routine intact without compromising on space in my bag. Let's talk about pros and cons. The biggest plus for me is the convenience of the set. It's compact, travel-friendly, and covers all your skincare needs in one kit. The ingredients are also a standout, especially for those with sensitive skin, as they provide hydration without irritating. On the flip side, the Hydrating Balm can feel a bit heavy on the skin if you're someone who prefers a lighter texture. It's great for dry skin, but if you have oily skin, you may find it a tad too rich. As for value for money, this set offers great bang for your buck, especially considering the high-quality ingredients and the fact that you get 5 products in travel sizes. e.l.f. Skin is known for providing affordable yet effective skincare, and this kit is no exception. If you're after a complete, hydrating skincare routine without the hefty price tag, this is a solid option. If you're someone who travels often or simply likes to try out new skincare products in convenient sizes, I would recommend the e.l.f. Jet Set Hydration Kit. It's a great entry point into the world of e.l.f. skincare, and it delivers on its promise of hydration. However, if you have extremely oily skin, the Hydrating Balm might be too much for your skin type, so you might want to try a lighter, oil-free moisturizer. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And of course, if you want to get your hands on the e.l.f. Jet Set Hydration Kit, check the link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.